Chapter 3 Mindful Eating A Path to a Healthy Body Question Answers from Class 6 Subject Science Book Curiosity. Let us enhance our learning. First, pick the odd one out and give reasons. A. Jwar, Bajra, Ragi, Chana. Answer: odd one out, Chana. Reason: Jawar, Bajra and Ragi are all types of millets, whereas Chana, chickpea, is a pulse. Second, kidney beans, green gram, soya bean, rice. Odd one out, rice. Reason: kidney beans, green gram, and soya bean are all pulses, whereas rice is a cereal. Question 2. Discuss traditional versus modern culinary practices in India. Answer: traditional practices. Cooking was mostly done on chulas, traditional stoves. Grinding was done manually using tools like silbatta, stone grinder. Emphasis on using fresh, locally grown ingredients. Modern practices: use of modern gas stoves and electric appliances like grinders and mixers. Availability and use of pre-packaged and processed foods. Influence of global cuisines and fusion cooking. Reasons for change: technological advancements, improved transportation and availability of a variety of ingredients, time constraints and lifestyle changes. Question 3. A teacher says that good food may act as medicine. Ravi is curious about this statement and has some questions for his teacher. List at least 2 questions that he can ask. Answer: first, how can food act as medicine? Second, can you give examples of foods that help in curing diseases? Question 4. Not all delicious foods are necessarily healthy, while not all nutritious foods are always enjoyable. Share your thoughts along with a few examples. Answer: examples of delicious but unhealthy foods: biscuits, cakes, and pastries high in sugar and fats. Fried snacks like chips and pakoras high in unhealthy fats. Examples of nutritious but less enjoyable foods: spinach and other leafy greens high in vitamins and minerals but might be disliked by some. Whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, nutrient dense but might not be preferred over white rice or refined grains. Question 5. Medu does not eat vegetables but enjoys biscuits, noodles, and white bread. He often has stomach ache and constipation. What changes should he make in his diet to get rid of these problems? Explain your answer. Answer: diet changes for Medu include more vegetables and fruits for fiber, whole grains like whole wheat bread and brown rice, healthy snacks like nuts and seeds. Explanation: vegetables and whole grains provide dietary fibers which help in digestion and prevent constipation. Reducing processed foods like biscuits and white bread will also help alleviate stomach issues. Question 6. Reshma had trouble seeing things in dim light. The doctor tested her eyesight and prescribed a particular vitamin supplement. He also advised her to include a few food items in her diet. First, which deficiency disease is she suffering from? Answer: deficiency disease, night blindness. Second, which food component may be lacking in her diet? Answer: vitamin A. Third, suggest some food items that she should include in her diet to overcome this problem. Any 4. Suggested food items: carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and mangoes. Question 7. You are provided the following: first, canned fruit juice; second, fresh fruit juice; third, fresh fruit. Which one would you prefer and why? Answer: preferred fresh fruit. Reason: fresh fruits contain fiber and more nutrients compared to juices which might have added sugars and preservatives. Question 8. Gaurav got a fracture in his leg. His doctor aligned the bones and put on a plaster. The doctor also gave him calcium tablets. On the second visit, the doctor gave him vitamin D syrup along with calcium tablets. Refer to figure 3.5 and answer the following questions. First, why did the doctor give calcium tablets to Gourav? Answer: reason for calcium tablets: to strengthen bones and facilitate healing. Second, on the second visit, why did the doctor give vitamin D syrup along with calcium tablets? Answer: reason for vitamin D syrup: vitamin D helps in the absorption of calcium. Third, what question arises in your mind about the choices made by the doctor in giving the medicines? Answer: why is vitamin D necessary along with calcium for bone healing? Question 9. Sugar is an example of carbohydrates. Sugar is tested with iodine solution but it does not change to blue black color. What can be a possible reason? Answer: sugar is a simple carbohydrate whereas starch is a complex carbohydrate. Iodine reacts with starch to turn blue black but does not react with simple carbohydrates like sugar. Question 10. What do you think of Raman's statement? All starches are carbohydrates, but not all carbohydrates are starches. Describe the design of an activity to test your answer. Answer: Raman's statement means that while all starches are a type of carbohydrate, there are other carbohydrates that aren't starches. To test this, gather samples like sugar, rice, and potatoes. Perform an iodine test by adding iodine solution to each sample. If the sample turns blue-black, it contains starch. Only starches will show this color change, while other carbohydrates like sugar will not react the same way. This demonstrates that not all carbohydrates are starches. Question 11. While using iodine in the laboratory, a few drops of iodine fell on Mishti's socks and a few fell on her teacher's saree. The drops of iodine on the saree turned blue-black while the color on the socks did not change. What can be a possible reason? Answer: the possible reason for the iodine drops turning blue-black on Mishti's teacher's saree but not on her socks is that the saree contains starch like used in the finishing process of the fabric. Starch reacts with iodine to produce a blue-black color. On the other hand, Mishti's socks do not contain starch, so there is no color change when iodine is applied. Question 12. Why are millets considered a healthy choice of food? Can eating just millets suffice for the nutritional requirements of the body? Discuss. Answer: millets are considered a healthy choice of food because they are highly nutritious grains rich in vitamins, minerals like iron and calcium, and dietary fibers. They help in maintaining normal body functions and contribute to a balanced diet. However, eating only millets cannot suffice for the nutritional requirements of the body, as a balanced diet requires a variety of foods to provide all essential nutrients like proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Question 13. You are given a sample of a solution. How would you check the possibility of it being an iodine solution? Answer: to check if a given solution is iodine, perform a starch test. Take a piece of a food item known to contain starch, like a slice of potato or bread. Place a few drops of the solution on the food item. If the solution is iodine, it will react with the starch in the food and turn blue-black. This color change confirms the presence of iodine in the solution. Friends, we have completed all these question answers. Thank you for watching.